Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and I am sorry, really sorry for not being with you last night. Some matters came up that needed my attention. And though there is nothing more important for me than meeting you at 9 every evening, I couldn't make it last night, and for that my apologies. Viewers, recently the Mumbai police insisted that another channel should be number 1 and Republic should be number 2. Now, though this is unusual, that policemen now decide which channel should be number 1 or number 2, which channel people must watch, and I don't want to comment on why the police want to back or advocate for one particular channel. And I will not comment on whether the police like a channel that does a U-turn on the Sushant case and don't like a channel that asks tough questions on the Sushant case. I will not ask these questions. Viewers, you will judge. But now comes a very detailed report on news channel viewership and availability by a pan-India technology-driven research company called Chrome India. This media company, which gathers data from 3,300 towns and 597,000 villages, reaching people speaking 22 languages across urban and rural India, across satellite and cable viewing homes, shows that the reach and availability of the Republic Media Network, of this channel that you're watching live right now, makes it the largest available English news brand across urban homes in India. What else does it show? It shows that the distribution and availability of Republic through this scientific data-driven survey is much higher than any channel in the genre in India of English news, Indian or international. Now, what else does it show? That the reach of Republic TV has grown manifold since the new tariff order was implemented by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India in 2019. And this is not because I'm giving somebody 400 rupees or I'm bribing you 400 rupees to make you watch the channel. It is because, as a labor of love that we present to you, we have chosen to make this channel available to you free. Since the day we launched the channel, we have not taken 1 rupee from you. It is a free-to-air English news channel. That's why the NTO recommendations and implementation has made this channel extremely popular across India. All of this is there in the report. In fact, viewers, you must read this report and realize the lies being put about us. It shows, according to this report, viewers, that Republic TV has been such a popular channel that it has boomed and expanded the English news genre since its launch on May 6, 2017. Now, these are data-driven facts. These are real facts. We become number 1 because of our reach, availability, popularity, insanity being spread right now. That we buy silver-coated jewelry and give it to someone, so this channel becomes number 1. Are people out of their mind? My dear viewers, I request you all today to go into the Republic Facebook and Twitter pages, read this article, send it to all your friends and family, forward it to everyone, and I'll tell you the reason why. Because while people have thrown stones in a gigantic conspiracy, which includes people in the media, against nationalist media like Republic, this is a gigantic conspiracy against nation first nationalist media. We who swear and live and believe in nation first, we live and swear by nation first. We, and I know I include you in this, we must vow tonight to uproot every lie and make it clear that the people and not the politicians decide. That the public and not the police decide which channel will be watched by the people of this country. And viewers, I have something more to say. And you will get to know more about this as the year progresses. We have been subjected to such a dirty, deep-rooted conspiracy, which will, when all details come out, I'm sure it's going to come out very soon, it will go down in history, mark my words today, viewers. It will go down in the history of this country as the greatest battle any news organization or any group of journalists has fought and won. The truth will chase the conspirators, viewers, including those in the media who have conspired against the Republic Media Network. Grit and nationalism will win. Grit and nationalism is going to win. You know the truth, viewers. And I'll say one thing today in 4 words at the end. You are our grit. You are our determination. And we're going to win, viewers. And win in a way this country will remember for a long time. So please see this report. Forward it to everyone. And let's spread the light of truth against all the evil forces with greater unity than before.